My name is Manu, and for this project, this WDD231 project, I'll be building an e-commerce, a static e-commerce web application. Okay, so as part of my web application, I'm used my API, ipapi.com, to get visitors' location, although not accurate, but at least to get the current country which they are in and the currencies they use. Okay, okay, look at the get location. All right, then we await and get data. So let's look into this our get data function. Okay, it's a fetch function that uses the try and catch block to try and fetch something from a URL and then return a response, which is the data you got from the response. While if you couldn't catch anything, you just show the error message in which it got. So write it down over here. Okay, I have this get location where it just returns the data, the JSON data that's associated with it. Okay, and in this product, I also tried getting, you know, my my JSON data, which I also built um, for my product JSON. That's it. With all necessary data and information it needs for it to be displayed. Okay, we have our, you know, um, okay, so let's just take for instance, get feature. Yeah, it's using that fetch function to get those products and render them onto the screen. As you can see, we've gotten some gotten some HTML elements here. Query selector, featured product class. Then we created and rendered the whole thing. So kind of what it looks like now. HTML would be okay. There you go. Now home the JS. Okay, there is it. So see the featured product and all of its required items. So as part of what that IP API also does, this helped me get the current currency of the visitor's location. Like for instance, I'm on a VPN. I'm currently connected to the Netherlands. So they kind of use this Nether euros, as a means of exchange. Okay. I was able to achieve that was through when I get the data here, then I map it to this currency symbol, you know, currency symbol variable. I'll be Yeah, I get currency symbol. Look at it. So after it return data from the get location, it maps it with this currency over here. So we set our currency to this the data and also the currency dot upper. So part of how it looks like when it return, look at it, the ipapi.com. Okay, that's how it look like. So we'll get um so the country code, yeah, currency is euro. So, so after it gets those euro, then it then map it to which is the euro which we have here. That's why that's displaying. So to wrap it up, the IP API helps me um get the current location of my user, that's their country, and then map whatever as their currency. So and then displays them onto the screen.